Hello everyone, and welcome to another important lesson with Saoirse. Today we're going to be talking about slope. That's on page 106, lesson 3.2 in your books. I hope that I'll be able to help you do what you need to do in math. So let's get started. Today's key idea is on slope, which is the rate of change between any 2 points on a line. It is measure of the steepness of a line. To find the slope of a line, find the ratio of the change in y to the change in x. So it would be slope equals y over x. Okay, so if we look at this graph over here, we see that we have the points 3, which is right here, and 2. Okay, so our y is 3, so we put 3. Wow, you cannot see that. 3 over 2. So the slope is 3 over 2. Okay? It's really easy to kind of catch on to. So you just put your y over your x. Okay, let's do another one together. So if we have the points 0, 0, and 3, 4, what we do is we take our x coordinate, which is the first one. So that'd be 3 minus 0, which is on the bottom. And then our y coordinate, which is 4 and 0, 4 minus 0. So you just do the equation. So that is now equal to 4 over 3, and that's our slope. Okay, take a look at the first one, and when you have your answer, pause the video to check. Okay, so we have our 5, 2, which is over here, and 0, 0 over here. So we take our y, which is 2, and then we subtract 0. You're always going to be subtracting, okay? So, and then on the bottom, 5 minus 0, so now it becomes 2 over 5. So our slope is 2 over 5. Take a look at the next one and get your answer when you're ready to check. Pause the video. Okay, so 2, 6, and 1, 3. So we take our y, which is 6 minus 3, over 2 minus 1. So now this becomes 3 over 1, or just 3. Okay? So you guys are doing a great job. Okay, the table shows your earnings for babysitting. Graph the data and and interpret the slope of the line through the points. Okay, so we have to graph it. So our first coordinate is 2. So we're going to put our 2, 10, because that's the y. So that'd be right there. Okay, then next is 420. So 420, 630, 840, and 1050. Okay, so we have our line now. Right there. Okay. And it wants us to find and interpret the slope of the line through the points. Okay, so how we do that is we choose any 2 points on the line. So we can choose any of them to find the slope. Okay, so let's do 2 and 10 and 4 and 20. Okay, so we take our 2 x's. Y goes on the top, so we put 20 minus 10 over 4 minus 2, and we get 10 over 2, which is equal to 5 over 1, or just 5. So the slope of this line is 5. Okay, this table shows Chrissy's earning for mowing lawns. Graph the data and find and interpret the slope of the line. Okay, so go ahead and try and do this one on your own. When you're ready to check, pause the video. Okay, so my graph over here is really bad. Do not make a graph like mine. Make a graph like the ones in your book, okay? But since it's kind of hard to make a graph on here, that's what my graph's going to look like, okay? So for graphing the data, so we just take our points. So it'd be 345, so right there, 690, there, 930, 135, and 12, 180. Okay. So now to find the slope, we just take 2 points. So I'm going to do 345 and 690 because it's less numbers. Let's take our y on top. So 90 minus 45 over 6 minus 3. And 90 minus 45 is 45. And 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, so, and then 45 divided by 3 is 15. So the slope of this line is 15. So you earn $15 per lawn. Okay, well, gracias. Thank you for tuning in. I hope that this video was helpful in helping you do what you need to do in math. This has been another important learning experience with Saoirse, and telling you guys are awesome and have a wonderful day.